Now in this video, we will consider a new concept, that is similarity of triangles. First of all, we should know what is the meaning of similarity. There is a difference in congruency and similarity. Congruency is that in which two things are said to be congruent if the two things exactly cover each other when placed on one above the other. But in case of similarity, the two things are similar if their shapes are first similar and fulfilling different criteria, as we will study in the preceding discussion. For example, two circles are similar but need not be congruent. Two circles are similar because their shapes are similar but size may be different. If the sizes are also same, then these will be congruent. Similarly, we can say two equilateral triangles are similar. Squares are similar because their sides are in the same ratio. These are not congruent figures. We will limit our discussion to similarity of triangles. Two triangles are said to be similar if these fulfill some criteria. The first criteria is AAA, that is angle similarity. If in two triangles say triangle ABC and triangle DEF, the two triangles are similar if their corresponding angles are equal. So angle A is equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle E, and angle C is equal to angle F. So we can say triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF by AAA similarity. Care should be taken while naming the triangles. We can name one triangle like anything, but second triangle must be named according to first one, so that the angles which are equal are in the corresponding places. Angle A and angle D are equal. Okay? So because A and D are equal, so A and D in the first place, B in the middle equals to angle E, C in the end equals to F in the end. But if we name the first triangle as triangle BCA, then second triangle has to be named according to this triangle. That is, B corresponding angle is E, corresponding to angle C it is F, and corresponding to A it is angle D. So triangle BCA similar to triangle EFD. Also, if we name this triangle as CBA, then it will be similar to FED, or if it is CAB similar to FDE. So naming of the triangles is very important. Second criteria is double A. Double A similarity. In fact, this is a corollary from triple A similarity, because in a triangle, sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Now we consider the second concept of similarity. That is double A similarity. In a triangle, sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. If two angles of one triangle are equal to corresponding two angles of another triangle, then their third angles are bound to be equal. Thus, double A is a corollary which is a result derived from triple A. Then third is SSS similarity. In this concept, if the three sides of one triangle are in the same proportion as the sides of another triangle, then triangles are similar. That is, if AB upon DE is equal to BC upon EF is equal to AC upon DF, then the triangles are similar. Then triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF by SSS similarity. Here again a care is required while naming the similar triangles. If we name triangle according to this, if we name this triangle as triangle ABC, then the other triangle is named as triangle DEF, so that the corresponding sides are in the similar positions. So AB upon DE is equal to BC upon EF is equal to AC upon DF. So this care should be taken while naming the triangles. The fourth similarity concept is SAS similarity. I repeat the third similarity again. In this case, the ratio of sides must be equal. These sides need not be equal. Okay. In case of congruency of triangles, the sides must be equal as well. In the next similarity, that is SAS similarity, if the two sides of one triangle are in the same ratio and the included angle of the two triangles are equal. For example, suppose this angle A is equal to angle D. These angles are equal. Then AB upon DE is equal to AC upon DF, and the included angle, that is angle A, is equal to angle D. Then the two triangles are similar by SAS similarity, because the two sides are in the same ratio and the angle included between the two sides of the two triangles are equal. So these must be in the same ratio and angles must be equal. Then triangle this ABC, or we can also name it as triangle BAC, is similar to triangle EDF by SAS similarity. Now we consider a question. In the figure, if QT upon PR, that is QT upon PR is equal to QR upon QS, then and one angle is equal to angle 2. Prove that triangle PQS similar to triangle TQR. Now we are given QT upon PR, QT upon PR is equal to QR upon QS implies QT upon QR is equal to PR upon QS. Angle 1 is equal to 2 implies that sides opposite to equal angles in triangle PQR are equal, that is PQ is equal to PR by isosceles triangle property, that is sides opposite to equal angles are equal. Therefore we can say QT upon QR is equal to, instead of PR we can write PQ upon QS. Now in triangle PQS and triangle TQR. Now in triangle PQS and triangle TQR we have QT upon QR is equal to PQ upon QS from 1 and angle Q is equal to angle Q. Therefore triangle PQS is similar to triangle TQR by SAS similarity.